Hey, this is Brother Arbuckle. I'm going to show you how to do these high rises up there. You see that up there? I'm going to show you how to do them without a ladder. I'm talking about without a ladder. That's what I'm talking about, without a ladder.
Hello? Yeah, but he's working. Alright.
Right, you're on recording, right? So everything you say is going to be. See, go ahead, put on me. See, this is what you call pole work here on Perkins Rowe. You don't need a ladder, all you need is poles. Okay, bro? Hear that? Hear that? That's the sound of sirens. That's the sound of the city light. Then you bring your pole on down like this. You bring it in like that, tighten it up. Get your wash strip here. Continue on with the squares. Then you can take and use your hand on these here. Booyah! Simple as that, y'all. That's what you call a window clean machine, the best in the West. Signing out. Thanks now.